We're going to see a goat grazing problem. Ramu the shepherd has a goat. If Ramu leaves it for grazing, goat runs away. So Ramu drives a peg in the ground and with a 5-meter long rope ties the goat and goes to sleep under the tree. What mathematics and physics lessons can we learn from this goat? Let us see. Now, Ramu has a 5-meter long rope. So we'll take R is equal to 5. This is how we define constants in GeoGebra. Then we want to tie a rope to a peg. So I have put a peg at 0, 0. Now we'll put that goat and it will go around. So I want a variable angle. So I take a variable, I say angle, immediately I have 0 to 360 degrees. Okay, I say okay. Now I put that goat, I call it G equal to, now this is a polar coordinate system, so I say R semicolon alpha, these Greek letters are available here. So I put the goat, this is a preview at 45 degrees, we have got the goat placed. Now, so I have got a point in Cartesian, a point in polar. Now I connect it by a segment and you'll see that that segment is of length 5. Okay. Now, if I say animation on, then you'll see that this goat will start going around. Now this oscillation is oscillating, say. So what I do is I go here, go to object properties, and I don't want it to be oscillating. I want that to be increasing. So now it will keep on increasing. Okay. Now I want the trace of this goat. So I go to properties. I give some good color to that goat. I like this brown color. And in basic, I say show trace. Then in style, I like to make that size small so that you get a thinner line. You can also have locus. So we have to just say locus of a point. So point is G and slider is obviously alpha. So it's possible for you to see the locus also. Now I remove the trace and locus is here. I can give some color to that locus. Maybe I put red and in style I make it thinner. So the locus is available and the trace is also available. I switch off the locus. Now I give color to this. I like this green color. I'll tell you why green is being given. And I say that trace is on. So you'll see that it also shows me the green color grass which the goat can eat. Now here we define the circle as locus of a point which is remaining at constant distance from other point. Okay, and this green is the area of the circle. Now through the day this goat is moving and we like to see what happens in the evening. In the evening the shadow will be on the west, the sun will be on the west, so shadow will be on the east. East is on right, west is on left, north is at the top and south is at the bottom. So here we create one wall. So let the wall be at 6 meters. So I'll put x is equal to 6. Immediately you will see that I have got a wall created here. So this is the equation of line. Now we want shadow on this. So I call that as S. Now that shadow will be always at 6 and it will be moving with goat. So it is y of goat. Okay. So please see this shadow. Now I will see the shadow speed. You will see that at bottom and at top the speed becomes 0. In the center the speed is highest. Now we like to trace the graph of this particular shadow. We'll start that graph from maybe 8 onwards along the x-axis. So 8 plus the time parameter obviously is alpha. You learn later on that alpha is nothing but omega t. And again I want y of goat to be in line with that point. So I got this point B as the locus or the variation of this shadow up and down, right? I want to give some good color to that. Maybe I give magenta color, I like it. And I say that trace is on. So you will get a beautiful sine curve traced on that. I can slightly make the object thinner, styles, and please note that this is nothing but simple harmonic motion the shadow is performing, and this is a beautiful sine curve. So from this what we have learned is this applet we have learned from a naughty goat, the straight line, circle, sine curve, directions in the map, simple harmonic motion. I have interesting applets on YouTube and my blog spot. Have a look at it and please note these addresses. I thank Principal Ravi Saudekar of Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Dibrugarh, Assam, Mehraj Sheikh of Global School, and Professor Abhijit Pawar of KK Wagh College of Engineering. They have helped me in making this video. Thank you all.